Hello everyone, today we will be talking about chapter 25.2, non-aromatic heterocycle. These non-aromatic heterocycle can undergo one kind of reaction called nucleophilic ring opening. There are two kinds of media that can catalyze this reaction. It is acid and base. Today we will go over the mechanism for each of this reaction. And one thing to note is that these nucleophilic ring opening only works for rings that are from 3 to 4 member due to their ring strength. Any 5 to 6 ring member will not be able to undergo this nucleophilic ring opening reaction.
First, we'll be covering the acid catalyzed part of this reaction. So if we have our reactant in an acid medium with a nucleophile, what will happen is the nucleophile will attack at the more substituted position. The bond for the oxygen-carbon bond in the ring will break on the more substituted position, and then we will get a final product like this. So to draw it out, we have our initial product right here, and we have our acid, because we are an acidic medium, and a lone pair of electrons on oxygen will attack this lone pair, and we will get a protonated oxygen, still part of the ring. And the next step will be our nucleophile, which is water in this case, attacking at our more substituted position, while at the same time the bond breaking right there. And this is an SN2 reaction. And what will happen next is the ring will break, and we will get this intermediate. And the final step of this reaction is we have our conjugate base of our acid, or more water, depends on how you look at it, attacking this proton right here, and the electrons going back, and what we get is our final product.
We will be going over the base catalyzed reaction of this heterocycle. So you start off with your starting material. And since this is in a basic medium, it's going to attack the less substituted side, breaking the ring. So you have your base or your nucleophile. It attacks the less substituted side. The electrons will move to the oxygen, breaking it. And now this negative oxygen will take a proton off of your solvent, methanol, and you will get your product.